Good afternoon, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm just going to show you how I have nearly managed to change a Ford Mondeo 2018 Headlight bulb. So what are the steps? The steps are, there's a cover here which you have to take out. Just take out all the clips, clips around, and you also find some two screws, more like Torx. Just use a normal screwdriver to take it out. When it's out, throw it away. Next thing you need to do is you need now to come on the wheel hut. Ideally you should remove the wheel, but you can also do it without removing the wheel. Just send the wheel or the opposite side to the side you're changing. Then take all the clips around here, and underneath you find these little nightmare screws. These screws, you find them. There are 3 of them underneath. Take them out. After taking them out, you look inside. On top, right on top here, you find 2 screws, two screws inside. 2 screws, they go up like this, so you need just to loosen them. Don't have to take them out. I took out one, but I should not have taken one. After that, come back and remove this one, and then you remove the screw down here as well, and anything on top, anything you can just remove it. Thereafter, you can put the headlight back and change it. Right, one more thing. When you're changing, you're likely to drop the pin. So to avoid dropping it, what I've done is we have actually tied it with tape, and we're going to leave the tape inside, so at next time we use it, we won't lose it. The truth of the matter is we have already dropped 2 clips today, and we have lost them. So to avoid losing a third one, we have had to use a tape, plumber's tape. Okay guys, to put them back, that's the opposite. Guys, if you like my video, please subscribe. Again, to confirm, take all the top bits out of the clips, go to the wheel hut, remove the clips, remove the 2-3 tine screws, number 7 or so, and after that remove the one that goes up vertically towards the bumper, pull the bumper out, and then remove the 2 screws holding the bulb, the headlight, and remove it. The job done.